Ugh, that's cold. Need a hand with that? No, I got it. Just gotta shake this off. God, my feet are freezing. That's better.
Come on, just a little further. Almost there.
God, that's cold. Just a little longer. Focus. God, my fingers are freezing. Just a little more. Come on. Yes. Finally. Not gonna lose it now. Hold fast, you bloody thing. Just one more clip. Okay, that's one. Almost there. Just a little more. Almost secure. Just need to pull these tight. Almost there. Okay, needs to go here. Oh no, my shoe! Quick, come back! Oops. Got it, it's okay. Whew. All right, these should do the trick. Let's test the balance. Feels stable. Here we go. Floating right on top, perfect. Almost there. Whoops. Done. All right, that's better. All right, almost done now. Just this last bit, almost there. Nice and secure. Oh, that feels better. Still negative 22 degrees. Guess this is it. need to get in. Just open. Finally. All right, found it and got it. Okay, now to press it tight, just need to make sure this stays. Okay, that's done. Progress. All right, just need to secure this one last knot. Almost done. Okay, that's holding tight. Good enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep moving. Focus. Gotta get warm. Just a little longer. Help! Over here.
Over here.
No response.
No.
Just have to wait. Okay. Pink skin. It's okay. Smun. Rub it in. That's better.